Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are mastering vehicle types and weights for your driving theory test category B taken by IMT Portugal. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about vehicles, their classifications and weight regulations to help you ace the test. What is a vehicle? A vehicle is any motorized or non-motorized object designed to transport people or goods. Whether it's a car, motorcycle or bicycle, each type of vehicle plays a specific role on the road. For motorized vehicles, it's essential that they are approved by the DGV, Portugal's official authority for vehicle identification and registration. Car. Let's start with cars. Cars are motor vehicles with at least 4 wheels and a tare weight over 550 kilograms, built for speeds above 25 kilometers per hour. They're classified into two main types based on weight. Light cars, with a gross weight of 3,500 kilograms or less and a capacity of up to 9 seats, including the driver. Heavy cars, weighing over 3,500 kilograms or with more than 9 seats. Each category can be further classified based on its use, whether for passengers or transporting goods. Special vehicles, motorbikes, mopeds, and more. Now, let's look at some other common vehicles. Motorbikes are two-wheeled vehicles with engines larger than 50 cc, built to exceed 45 kilometers per hour. Mopeds are limited to 45 kilometers per hour of speed, with engine capacities of up to 50 cubic centimeters for internal combustion or 4 kilowatts for electric motors. Tricycle, a vehicle with 3 symmetrically arranged wheels, engine more than 50 cc, exceeding 45 kilometers of speed. And quadricycles, light up to 50 cc or 4 kilowatt and tare weight under 350 kilograms, heavy duty up to 15 kilowatt weight without batteries, 400 kilograms or 550 kilograms in case of goods carriage. Agricultural and industrial vehicles. Next, let's talk about agricultural and industrial vehicles in short. Agricultural tractors and machines are designed specifically for farm use, often pulling trailers or carrying equipment. Industrial machines are heavy-duty vehicles with multiple axles used for construction or industrial tasks, and they usually only travel on public roads only for a short distance. Having gross tare weight up to 3,500 kilograms becomes light if excess becomes heavy. Passenger transport vehicles. Passenger transport vehicles, like buses, are designed to carry larger numbers of people. They are divided into 3 categories. Category 1 vehicles, designed for frequent stops and easy movement. Category 2 vehicles, primarily for seated passengers, but with some standing room. Category 3 vehicles, used for long-distance travel, providing more comfort for seated passengers. Animal-drawn vehicle. An animal-drawn vehicle is one in which the tractive effort is exerted by animals. Trailer, a vehicle designed to be towed by a motor vehicle. Bicycle, vehicle with 2 or more wheels driven by the driver's own efforts using pedals or similar devices. Vehicle weights. Understanding vehicle weights is crucial for the test. There are 3 key terms to remember. Tare weight, the vehicle's weight without passengers or loads but with necessary fluids and equipment is a tare weight. The weight of the vehicle in running order, without passengers or load, but with coolant, lubricants, 90% of the total fuel, 100% of the other fluids, except wastewater, tools and spare wheel, where this is compulsory, and with the exception of mopeds, motorbikes, tricycles and quadricycles, the driver 75 kilograms. In the case of heavy passenger vehicles, the weight of the guide, 75 kilograms, must also be taken into account if a specific seat is provided. Gross weight. The tare weight plus the maximum load a vehicle can carry. It's a maximum mass. Total weight. The vehicle's weight at any given moment, which includes its current load. Gross towable weight. the maximum towable load capacity of motor vehicles and agricultural tractors, maximum weights and dimensions. There are also legal limits for vehicle weights and dimensions. For example, a 2-axle vehicle can carry a maximum of 19 tons. A single-axle trailer can carry up to 10 tons. Retroflex panels are used to mark cars or combinations of vehicles with a gross weight of more than 3.5 tons. P1 panel and marker lights on the extending object. Make sure the ends of these objects are marked with a P1 panel. The maximum height for any vehicle is 4 meters. Maximum width of vehicle, 2.55 meters. Maximum length with 2 or more axles, 12 meters. On the motorway, all vehicles exceeding 7 meters in length are prohibited from using the left-hand traffic lane. Community classification of vehicle characteristics. Since it is compulsory to classify the categories of cars and 2, 3, and 4-wheeled vehicles, the following classifications have been established in the European classification. The letter M for passenger vehicles, the letter N for goods vehicles, the letter O for trailers or semi-trailers, and the letter G for off-road vehicles. Vehicle components. Let's talk about the vehicle's main components. Every vehicle consists of several key systems like the engine, steering, and brakes. The chassis forms the backbone supporting the body and the passenger compartment. In modern cars, the monocoque design ensures passenger safety by maintaining a sturdy structure during collisions. The fire extinguisher is compulsory equipment for heavy goods vehicles. Tire relief, 1.6 mm for light vehicles and 1 mm for heavy vehicles and motorbikes. Instrument panel. On the vehicle's dashboard, there are a series of indicators that show the behavior of the vehicle and its various components. Speedometer, instantaneous speed indicator. Rev counter, indicator of the number of engine revolutions per minute, also known as a tachometer. Pressure gauge, indicator of the engine's lubricating oil pressure. Partial odometer indicates the kilometers traveled by the vehicle during a given journey. Total kilometers indicates the kilometers traveled by the vehicle over its entire life. Thermometer, coolant temperature indicator. Fuel gauge indicates the amount of fuel in the tank, also known as a liquidometer. Ammeter tells you if the alternator or dynamo is generating energy to supply the battery and other circuits. Mandatory presentation for inspection. Periodic inspections of cars and their trailers are aimed at regularly checking that the vehicle's vital components, safety equipment, and ecological quality are in good working order. The vehicle must be presented for inspection at a private center authorized by the state, in a perfectly clean and well-maintained state, accompanied by the respective registration certificate, vehicle identification document, and the record of the last inspection, where applicable. Vehicles must be presented for the first and subsequent annual inspections during the month corresponding to the month of initial registration. The inspection time varies according to the community classification of vehicles. And that wraps up our breakdown of vehicle types, weights, and components for the IMT Portugal driving theory test. Remember, knowing the classification and limitations of each vehicle type is key to passing the test. Take time to review, and good luck. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips and guides for your driving theory test.